Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to be doing a beef bourguignon. Bourguignon? What does that even mean? What's that? Oh, beef stew. I have onions and carrots, and of course parsley, thyme, bay leaves, garlic, some beef stock I've made. I'm going to make some tomato paste, of course, wine, beef, bacon, and at the end we're going to throw in the onions and mushrooms. Okay, let's do it. First things first, we're going to put the tomatoes on to simmer down into a nice paste while we parboil the bacon for 10 minutes. And then we fry the bacon as normal, put that aside, and get our beef ready to sear, and put that aside. And we're going to get the carrots going with the onions. We're going to stir that up, and then we're going to get the casserole going. First we're going to put the bacon down on the bottom, and then we're going to flour up the beef very well, thoroughly of course. And this is a very important step. And then we're going to put it in the oven, 450, 5 minutes. After that, you of course add your carrots and onions, put the tomato paste on top, very beautiful. Add garlic, of course. And then you're going to put in the beef stock and wine. Very nice. Get it covered. And then add your bay leaves, your aromatics. Top it off with wine. And then you're going to be putting it in the oven. You're going to turn it down to 315 for 4 hours. Yeah. 4 hours later. Now part 2, olive oil, butter, garlic. And then we're going to add those beautiful onions, let them cook down a bit. Add the mushrooms, stir those up, same thing, let them saute for a little while. And then add some sauce from the casserole dish. Put it back on the stove, add your aromatics, and just to give you a little flyby, look at it bubble. And then it's going to sit there for a little bit while you take care of business with your casserole by straining all the juices and then putting that into your mushroom dish. After you let it cook for a little bit, take out the aromatics, add your roux, stir thoroughly, and then back into the casserole dish. And then, of course, into the oven while you put your pasta on. Plate up time, and as you know, I love a nice bed of greens on the bottom. This time it's arugula. Add your beautiful hot noodles, like steaming hot. And then, of course, top it off with that beautiful casserole of beef bourguignon. Many recipes will shortchange Julia Child's original recipe and method. This, of course, is shortchanging yourself. From parboiling the bacon, to the roasting of things, to the mixing of your sauces and straining, to 2 parts where the mushrooms and onions will be crisp and fresh, while everything else is melt in your mouth. Julia Child's original recipe is best. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.